Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on utilizing exposure preview with the Nikon D750. Mastering this feature will allow you to set the exposure before capturing your shot. To begin, ensure your camera is set to manual mode using the mode dial for optimal control over your exposure settings. Next, activate Liveview by pressing the LV button, enabling you to see a real-time display of your scene on the camera's LCD screen. Press the I button on your camera to enter the quick menu settings. Using the multi-selector, scroll down until you locate the exposure preview option. Once found, toggle it on to activate the feature. After enabling exposure preview, confirm your selection by clicking OK, and then press the I button again to exit the quick menu settings. With exposure preview activated, you'll have a dynamic representation of how your chosen exposure settings will affect your final image, empowering you to make adjustments as needed for the perfect shot. Thank you for tuning in to our tutorial. We hope you found it informative and that it enhances your photography experience